Alright, here we have 2025 further mathematics WAEC question 1, where we are given this and asked to find x plus y. In this question, we are to multiply the up one and the down one with the conjugate of this one. And in the conjugate, this sign is going to change to negative. Alright? So we are going to have root 5 minus 3 times 2 root 5. 2 root 5 minus 3 all over 2 root 5 plus 3 times 2 root 5 minus 3. So yeah, root 5 times 2 root 5 is going to give us 2 root 25. And we know that root 25 is equals to 5. So 2 times 5 is going to give us 10. So yeah, we have 10 here. This times this minus 3 root 5. This times this minus 6 root 5. This times this plus 9 all over 2 root 5 times 2 root 5. That should be 4 root 25. And root 25 is equals to 5. So we are going to have 20 here. That's 4 times 5 is 20. Then this times this is going to give us minus 6 root 5. This times this plus 6 root 5. This times this minus 9. Now this will cancel out this because minus 6 root 5 plus 6 root 5 is 0. So we are going to have 10. These two will give us minus 9 root 5 plus 9 all over 20 minus 9. So 10, we are adding these two, 10 and 9. We are going to have 19 minus 9 root 5, right? All over. This will give us 11. And we know that this is equivalent to x plus y root 5. So let's split this into 2. We are going to have 19 over 11 minus 9 over 11 root 5. What this thing means is that our s is equals to 19 over 11, while our y is equals to minus 9 over 11. Then we are asked to find x plus y. So since our x is equals to 19 over 11 and our y equals to minus 9 over 11, we are substituting the values inside this. So we are going to have 19 over 11 plus minus 9 over 11, which will give us 19 over, let's move over to this side, which will give us 19 over 11 minus 9 over 11. Now, since the denominator are the same, so let's subtract the up one. We are going to have 19 minus 9 is 10 over 11. So this is our final answer. And the option here is option B. So B is the answer. Let's move over to the next question.